Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the Great White North with my list of the 20 must-visit places in Canada. From rugged coastlines to pristine mountain peaks, bustling cities to remote wilderness, Canada has something incredible for every type of traveler. So grab your passport and let's dive in. Number 20, Churchill, Manitoba. We're kicking things off in Churchill, the polar bear capital of the world. Visit between October and November to see polar bears gathering along Hudson Bay's coast from specialized tundra buggies. Churchill is also one of the best places to see the Northern Lights, making it a double bucket list destination. Number 19, Tofino, British Columbia. This laid-back surf town on Vancouver Island perfectly balances adventure and relaxation. With wild Pacific beaches, ancient rainforests, and world-class storm watching, Tofino captures the raw beauty of coastal BC. Try surfing, kayaking, or simply watch the waves crash against the rugged shoreline. Number 18, Old Quebec City, Quebec. Step into Europe without leaving North America. This UNESCO World Heritage Site features cobblestone streets, historic architecture, and the iconic Chateau Frontenac. Wander through Petite Champlain, explore the fortifications, and experience authentic French culture, especially magical during the Winter Carnival. Number 17, Algonquin Provincial Park, Ontario. One of Canada's most beloved wilderness areas, Algonquin is a canoeist's paradise with over 2,400 lakes. The park offers incredible fall foliage, excellent wildlife viewing, including moose and black bears, and some of the best backcountry camping in eastern Canada. Number 16, Whistler, British Columbia. World-class skiing in winter, incredible hiking and mountain biking in summer. The pedestrian-friendly village buzzes with restaurants and entertainment year-round. Don't miss the peak-to-peak gondola for breathtaking mountain views. Number 15, Grosmore National Park, Newfoundland. This national park showcases geological wonders, towering fjords, and dramatic coastal cliffs. Hike Grosmore Mountain, boat through Western Brook Ponds Fjord, or explore the unique tablelands where Earth's mantle is exposed. Number 14, Ottawa, Ontario. Canada's capital combines national significance with small city charm. Parliament Hill, world-class museums, the Rideau Canal skating rink in winter, and millions of spring tulips make Ottawa a year-round destination. Number 13, the Cabot Trail, Nova Scotia. This 300-kilometer scenic drive along Cape Breton Island is one of the world's most beautiful road trips. The trail winds through dramatic coastal cliffs, charming fishing villages, and Cape Breton Highlands National Park, especially stunning during fall foliage season. Number 12, Dinosaur Provincial Park, Alberta. Journey back 75 million years in this UNESCO World Heritage Site with one of the world's richest dinosaur fossil beds. The otherworldly Badlands landscape and guided fossil tours bring prehistoric Canada to life. Number 11. Niagara Falls, Ontario. Yes, it's touristy, but the sheer power and scale are breathtaking. Take the Hornblower boat tour to the base, walk behind the Cascades, or view them illuminated at night. The Niagara region also offers excellent wineries and charming towns. Now, planning your Canadian adventure means booking flights, hotels, activities, and car rentals. I've included affiliate links to trusted travel companies in the description below. These links help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Number 10. Lake Louise and Moraine Lake, Alberta. While part of Banff National Park, these two iconic lakes deserve their own spotlight. Lake Louise's turquoise waters, backed by Victoria Glacier, create one of Canada's most photographed scenes. Nearby Moraine Lake in the Valley of the 10 Peaks is equally stunning. Visit at sunrise to avoid crowds and witness the magical light on the mountains. Number 9. Toronto, Ontario. Canada's largest city is a multicultural powerhouse. From the CN Tower to diverse neighborhoods like Kensington Market and the Distillery District, Toronto offers world-class dining, excellent museums, professional sports, and vibrant nightlife. Number 8. The Canadian Rockies, Alberta, British Columbia. The entire Rocky Mountain region offers some of Earth's most spectacular mountain scenery. Towering peaks, turquoise lakes, pristine wilderness, and abundant wildlife create an outdoor paradise that includes several of our top spots coming up. Number 7. Vancouver, British Columbia. Nestled between ocean and mountains, Vancouver offers urban sophistication with outdoor adventure on its doorstep. Stanley Park Seawall, Granville Island, diverse neighborhoods, and excellent food make the city endlessly explorable. Ski in the morning, sail in the afternoon. Number 6. Jasper National Park, Alberta. The largest park in the Canadian Rockies feels wilder and less crowded than Banff. The Dark Sky Preserve offers incredible stargazing, while daytime reveals glaciers, hot springs, and pristine wilderness. Maligne Lake with Spirit Island is absolutely iconic. Number 5. Banff National Park, Alberta. Canada's first national park remains one of its most spectacular. Turquoise Lake, Louise, stunning Moraine Lake, Banff Upper Hot Springs, and endless hiking trails make this a year-round destination. Visit in shoulder seasons for better weather-to-crowd ratios. Number 4. Northern Lights in Yukon. The Yukon offers some of the planet's best aurora viewing between late August and April. Beyond the lights, experience authentic wilderness, indigenous culture, and gold rush history. The midnight sun in summer offers nearly 24 hours of daylight. Number 3. Montreal, Quebec. Montreal blends European charm with North American energy. The French language, incredible food scene, year-round festivals, and vibrant arts culture make it feel distinctly different. Old Montreal enchants, while the Plateau offers trendy cafes and street art. The bagels in poutine are legendary. Number 2, the Icefields Parkway, Alberta. Arguably the most scenic drive in the world, this 232-kilometer highway connecting Jasper and Banff passes glaciers, waterfalls, and emerald lakes. Walk on Athabasca Glacier's ancient ice, marvel at Peyto Lake's distinctive color, and stop constantly for wildlife and jaw-dropping views. Number 1, the Canadian Arctic. My top spot represents Canada at its most raw and magnificent. The Arctic offers experiences you cannot have anywhere else. Polar bears in their natural habitat, the midnight sun, Inuit culture, and untouched wilderness. Whether Nunavut, the Northwest Territories, or northern regions, the Arctic changes your perspective on nature and beauty. And there you have it, the 20 must-visit places in Canada. Remember, all the travel resources you need are linked in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Canada is waiting for you. Safe travels, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.